4 levels of brightness, up to 200 lumens, for crisp detail. Built tough and waterproof to 33 feet 10 m. Built-in rechargeable battery with up to 6 hours of runtime. Compact design is perfect to use by itself. Connect to the HERO10 Black, HERO9 Black, HERO8 Black via Media Mod, sold separately, or attached to various GoPro mounts plus accessories, sold separately. Add compact yet powerful LED lighting to your next adventure. With Light Mod, you can illuminate your subject with wide, smooth, even light and capture ultra-crisp footage. Light Mod attaches to HERO10 Black, HERO9 Black, HERO8 Black via Media Mod, sold separately, or works as a handy standalone light for use with GoPro mounts. What's included? Mod Light Diffuser 2-finger adapter USB-C cable. Top reviews from the United States. Careful with the diffuser. It falls off very easily and you can lose it. It's more necessary than you think. Otherwise it is wonderful, ultra-portable, sturdy, durable battery, versatile, sturdy even with size. It can be used if you forget a secondary light, also as a practical lamp.